Hi, my name is Mason. Welcome to PYP exhibition. Today I'm going to introduce you my topic, transportation and innovation. My central idea is innovation in transportation changes how people live, travel, and connect with the world. Okay, why did I choose this topic? I chose this topic because I'm interested in transportation and want to learn more about how innovation changes how people travel. Okay, now I'm going to talk about my first lines of inquiry. My first lines of inquiry are different types and purpose of transportation. Okay, first, what is transportation? Transportation is the movement of people from one place to another. There are three main types of transportation, which includes air, land, and water transportation. Okay, land transportation. Land transportation includes cars, trucks, buses, and motorcycles. Cars are also called automobiles or motor vehicles. Trucks and buses are larger vehicles that can carry more people and heavier goods. Land transportation helps people travel between places quickly and conveniently. Okay, water transportation. Water transportation includes submarines, boats, and ships. Submarines are special vessels that can travel deep underwater. Boats and ships are on the surface, travel on the surface of the water and are used to transport people and cargo around the world. Okay, air transportation. Air transportation includes airplanes, helicopters, hot air balloons, and airships. Airplanes and helicopters are mainly used for travel and transportation, and hot air balloons and airships are mainly used for sightseeing and recreation. Okay, as you can see, there are many different types of transportation, and each serves a different purpose. Okay, now I'm going to talk about my second line of inquiry. My second line of inquiry is how innovation improves transportation efficiency and safety. Okay, transportation engineers design, test, and improve transportation systems to make them safer and more efficient. Speed bump. What is speed bump? Speed bump helps drivers reduce their speed and improve safety, especially in places such as school and parking lots. Okay, traffic lights. Traffic lights help control traffic and tells drivers and pedestrians when to stop and go. This keeps everyone safe. Okay, transportation safety. Seatbelt. Seatbelt. Now Poland invented more than 3-point seatbelt. Seatbelt protect passengers by keeping them safe during an accident. Airbags. Airbags help reduce injuries during crashes by protecting passengers from strong impacts. Okay, now I'm going to talk about my green transportation. Green transportation includes walking, running, cycling, and skateboarding. You might ask, what if we need to travel to a long distance? A great option is the high-speed rail train. High-speed train use electricity and can transport many people efficiently while producing less pollution than cars and airplanes. Okay, now I'm going to talk about my third line of inquiry. Future innovation and challenge in transportation. Future innovation. In the future, many vehicles may use batteries or electricity instead of gasoline. Charging may become much faster and electric vehicles may become more common. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence may also help operate self-driving cars, buses, and trucks. These technology could make transportation safer and more efficient. Challenges. First, cost. Building charging stations, railway, and road requires a lot of money. Energy supply. City will need enough electricity to support millions of electricity vehicles. And this is the bar graph for electricity supply. Okay, next, cybersecurity. Hackers could potentially attack transportation systems that rely on computer and the internet, creating serious safety risks. Okay, next, safety and employment. Self-driving vehicles may still make mistakes, so safety remains an important concern. Okay, unemployment. Some taxi drivers, truck drivers, and delivery drivers may lose their job if self-driving vehicles become more common. Okay, now I'm going to talk about my action plan. My action plan is the posters. The poster explain different types of transportation and the fastest car in the world. Okay, and I also create puzzles. I create different types of transportation in the puzzles, and I also create the decorations. Decorations, you can see there's Porsche 911, Korea's RS 2.7, and also some of the cars decorations. And also, I also create booklet quiz. People can answer questions in the booklet quiz. Okay, now I'm going to talk about my reflection. One challenge I faced during this project was the puzzles. I overcame this by cutting the puzzle slower, so the puzzle is better. And I also faced some problems like the printers cannot work for my travel board. Because my PDF is too big, so I overcame this by making the PDF smaller so the printers can work for my travel board. Okay, in conclusion, transportation and innovation connect people around the world, and transportation and innovation make safer and more convenient transportation, and but it also make pollutions, energy use, and energy supply. Okay, so thank you for listening, and I hope you will enjoy my projects. Thank you.